In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a bar graph comparison chart using Google Sheets. Whether you're new to Google Sheets or just need a refresher, this guide will walk you through the process step by step, making it easy for you to illustrate your data beautifully and clearly. To begin, you need to open Google Sheets. You can do this by navigating to your preferred web browser and entering sheets.google.com into the address bar. Once the page loads, sign in with your Google account if prompted, and you'll have access to your Sheets dashboard. Here, you may choose to open an existing spreadsheet or start fresh by clicking on the blank option to create a new one. Once you're in your spreadsheet, you'll need to input the data that you want to display in a bar graph. Typically, you'll want to have your categories listed in one column and the corresponding data values in the adjacent column. For example, you might list different sales regions under column A with sales figures for each in column B. After entering your data, make sure it's well organized and clearly labeled to prevent any confusion later on. With your data ready, it's time to create the chart. First, click and drag to select the cells that contain the data you want to graph. Then, head to the main menu at the top of the screen, click on Insert, and select Chart from the drop-down menu. Google Sheets will automatically generate a chart based on your selected data. It might not be precisely what you're looking for at first, but don't worry, we can refine it. Upon clicking Insert Chart, you'll see a Chart Editor panel appear on the right side of your screen. In the Chart Editor, under the Setup tab, you'll find the Chart Type drop-down menu. Click this menu and scroll down until you find the option for Bar Chart. Selecting this will convert your existing chart into a bar graph. Now, it's time to customize your chart for better readability and visual appeal. Still within the Chart Editor, switch over to the Customize tab. Here, you can tweak various elements such as chart and axis titles, legend placement, colors, and more. Take a moment to modify these settings according to your preferences. For instance, adding clear titles and labels can make your chart much easier for others to understand at a glance. Once you've finished customizing your chart, you're all set. Review your bar graph to ensure everything looks just as you want. If you need to make adjustments, you can always use the Chart Editor to fine-tune your design. Don't forget to save your spreadsheet when you're finished to preserve all your hard work. And there you have it, a professional-looking bar graph comparison chart created entirely in Google Sheets. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check back for more tips on how to make the most of Google's suite of tools.